Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is Laura with Stitching with Laura. How's everybody doing? I hope everybody is having a great Tuesday. Well, today is Floss Tube Day and it is the last Floss Tube of this year. It is my 261st Floss Tube and today is December 31st, 2024. And we have our Christmas cup for one more day. And I am drinking jasmine green tea today. Because it's just kind of slightly chilly. Well, Happy New Year's, everybody. Yeah. Wow. It's amazing every year that you can have Christmas and New Year's within a week. It just boggles my mind. I swear, every time. So I was a little bit busy this week, yeah. We had Christmas in between and all the hoopty that went with that, but we all had a great time, so yay! Oh my goodness. So, needless to say, I didn't get much done. It seems like it just kind of evened out here, there, and everywhere. I only had 3 reviews. Wasn't even expecting any of those to come in at that time. But we got those done. And I only had 3 starts. So let's see what we stitched on. Okay, this is in no particular order. And of course I put it in there backwards. Never fails, I swear. This is the butterflies from yesterday. They are so pretty. Yeah, I am not looking forward to that back stitching, but we're just going to concentrate on the stitching part. We'll get that back in there in a second. So I did not get any further than what I stitched yesterday because it wasn't happening last night. You know, it's like the first day back to work after being off for 5 days. Oh my goodness, yeah, I got an extra day in there because it's Christmas, right? Yeah, it's like, oh my goodness, I'm just too tired for all of this. So, yeah, whoops, gotta put the thread back in. Sorry. And I also, oh, that one was from VIP. This one was from Paint Some Way. I really like this. I'm starting to get into it. It is the Opera Lady. Trying. Oh my goodness, yeah. Well, you know what she looks like. Isn't she beautiful? Look at all those colors. Oh my goodness. So I worked on it for quite a while over the weekend. And as you can see, I did get one of her eyebrows done, but mostly in the flowers. So, and I went up here to see what that dark color would look like. I didn't want to put it all in, but you know, hey, just a bit. But it's kind of, I call it sifty. You know, you got to kind of sift through the symbols and not do the light ones and do the ones around it. And after a while, I just said, okay, I can't do this anymore. We're done for today. Yeah. Then I got this one also from VIP Cross Stitch, if I can get it out of the bag. My goodness, it was stuffed in there. And sorry about the sticker. It is the Resort Town. Yeah, I think it's beautiful too. So we started stitching right up here in the green trees, and I started a little bit on that house. Whoops. On that house right in there. If I could hold it still enough. So once again, not a lot done, but starting to define that one house. And some of that other greenery, shall we say. I'm staying away from this side because it's all half cross stitch for right now. I just want it to start looking like something. But yeah. So that's all the starts that I had. I know, it's amazing, isn't it? It's like everything came to a screeching halt at the end of the year. And what else did I work on? So that's all the starts. And I also worked on, this is if I can find my picture. Where's the picture? It's here. I know it is. Holy cow. Thread is coming out at me. This is Return from Christmas that I got from Amazon, 2019. Yeah. And been in this area for like life. I'd have tried to start into the house. I'll show you. Let me see if I can get it there. So I do have some of that house started. Not too much. Mainly working on those trees. Aren't they beautiful? I love this cross stitch so much. But just haven't found a whole bunch of time to work on it. And we also worked on, from Biggest Craft, the nativity scene. I know this is a terrible picture. It probably looks better in the camera than it does in person, but this is the only picture I could find of it. And yeah, we haven't made too much progress in it at all. So just working on that shed there, and you can see Joseph right here. I have at one point started like defining their faces and working on the dark parts around them. So yeah, I love this one too. It's one of the best renditions I've ever seen of this. Now I know you can buy this now. It's much larger and it's probably by a different company. I think this is a Yishu. It has a Y, so we're calling it a Yishu. But I got it, gosh, last year. I think it was like right after the first, no, like right before the first of 2024, shall we say. So, because I couldn't get to order it in between all that, you know. Hey. And last but not least, oh my God, hold please, it's going to be a moment. Alright, this is Megazilla. See if I can get it. I don't have a picture of it. But I have been working down here in this, with this dark thread. It's 3371, trying to get both of those lanterns done in there. So, yeah. It's not so wide, it's just awkward. But, yeah. So, little by little by little. Oh, yeah. Hold, please. And that is everything. Sorry, I had dropped some thread. If I don't pick it up now, we're screwed. But that's everything that I worked on last week. Just kind of basically not pushing it. I was just tired after Christmas. I don't know why, because all I did was the cookies on the weekend before, so I really have no excuse for being that tired. But, yeah. And I did make an order, what day was that? Sunday, from AliExpress, and I'm not sure when they will get here, not at all. Somewhere around the end of the month, I'm guessing. You know how it goes. So, yeah, we'll have those to look forward to, something new to start. We need those, right? And, yeah, and no other grand plans for 2025. I'm sure there will be big cross stitches involved. You know how that goes. Because I can't resist. I did look when I was at AliExpress for any other ladies. None of them tripped my trigger or wanting me to get them. I don't know that I do, or I don't want that one that Natalia, you know, Lovecraft Forever, and somebody else, maybe Stitcherella got it. I'm not real sure. Yeah, I have enough to do. I do have my ladies on the same dark material, and I really, really like that. So we're just going to kind of stick with that and stitch on it for a while. Maybe we'll get some old favorites out in January. I have no idea. No plans. Nothing. Sorry. I know. There's people out there and they're having whip parades and they're all organized and they know what they're going to do. And in January, no. That is so not me. I'm sorry. I kind of fly by the seat of my pants, and whatever comes up, comes up. How's that? I know. You'd think I'd have more energy, but I don't. So January through like March-ish, April-ish, it's kind of a slow down time for us here because nobody goes very far, you know. I mean, my daughter and I might get to Walmart a couple times. We'll be, you know, but other than that, there's just nothing. None of us ski. I mean, now, my kids used to snowboard, but that ain't happening now. So, you know, they've decided they have kids, so they have more to live for, see? Yeah. And me, I went skiing twice. Yeah, no. I am such a klutz, so that wasn't going to happen. So, yeah. There may be things coming along. I have no idea. Alright, guys. Thank you for joining me. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and please hit the bell. That way you'll know when my next video comes out. Stay safe. Stay healthy. We'll see you next time. God bless. Bye-bye. Keep stitching.